Alright, what we did is we took out the stock front spring out of the Ranger. It kept the front end up too high, and we got this spring here. It's out of a 65, 66 Mustang, and so I'm going to replace it with that one. Maybe show you some details on what I'm doing. I hurt my knee yesterday, and so it's kind of hard to work today, but I'm going to do it. Alright, so what we did is we put this threaded rod in here. It's got a bar. Put it up through the shock hole. It's got a nut, and as we tighten it up, it's going to pull the spring up. Then put the floor jack underneath there and lift it up. So that's where we're going with it right now. There's a set in the lower control arm where this bottom spring has to go. You have to make sure that you get it in the setting area. Okay, let's tighten that up a little bit. Yeah, do both things at the same time. okay. Just have to put the calipers and stuff on there and then let it down and see how it sits. Well, it got late. I'll just kind of give you an idea what it looks like with the springs installed. I'm going to leave a link in the description to Ray Greer's Mustang Alley. If you know anybody that needs hard to find Mustang parts, early Mustang parts, you might give him a call and let him know you came from my page. That way he'll know. Okay? Thanks for watching.